fashionistas, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making a statement necklace perfect for a night out in the 1960s. We are using gorgeous earth jewel beads from John Bead, and we're coloring the discs with Marabou alcohol inks. And I'll even show you how I'm going to use my Xyron Creative Station to make laminated components for this amazing showstopper. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hey. And I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a statement necklace. You can also use this alcohol ink technique to create greeting cards, art, and sun catchers, and I'd love to hear in the comments how you might use this process. I cut circles, but you could easily cut squares, triangles, or ovals for this design. Or why not use all of the shapes together? Costume jewelry has been a part of culture for almost 300 years. During the 18th century, jewelers began making pieces with inexpensive glass, and in the 19th century, costume jewelry made of semi-precious materials came into the market. When ready-to-wear clothing replaced dwindling couture in the 1960s, fashion shows lost their traditional luxury format and shows became more extraordinary all the way into the 80s, blurring the lines between art and fashion. This curated drama has become linked to the identity of style, and we no longer separate the fantasy from our wardrobes. I'm going to leave a link to John Bead, Marabou, and Xyron in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll love the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you next week. Bye.